Alright, this plane's been circling my house for about 3 minutes. Just circling, circling, circling. Yes, they like to hang out, doing circles right over my house. Oh well, it's not like they can do anything to me. I'm not breaking the law. I love it. Doesn't get much closer than that. Check it out. Just doing circles. Let's see if he comes back again now that I brought the camera out. No, he's probably not coming back now that I brought the camera out. I was sitting inside on my computer. It was like I knew I heard something over and over and over again. Oh, hold on. He's coming back. He's coming back. They're doing circles around my house. Wait for it. It's not the first time. It's just the closest they've ever been. Is he coming back? Wait for it. Yep, coming right back. Come on, how point blank is that? They're doing circles over my house. He's doing a sharp turn right there. Oh my goodness. Why are the planes doing circles over my house? Alright, he's turning away. Oh well, I love you. Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish
wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?